Okay, mga kaibigan. So, bagong release naman nga mula kay Infinix. Ngayong September 1st, itong Infinix Zero 30 5G. Actually, by the time you're watching this video, itong unboxing and first impressions ko, I've been using this for about a week now. So, the following day is upload ko din bukas. Yeah, September 2nd is upload ko na din yung full review ko neto once na makuha ko na yung pricing dito sa Infinix Zero 35G, which feeling ko lang naman will be priced the same as the Note 30 VIP. I'm not so sure, but of course, shoutout kay Infinix for sending me a unit of their Infinix Zero 30 5G. And one thing that really stood out to me dito is dito sa front-facing camera neto, yung selfie cam, you can record up to 4K 60 FPS na binaboost nila na parang dedicated vlog camera yung front-facing camera neto. And sa mga gusto makalam na agad-agad, Dimensity 8020 yung chipset neto, which is basically, sa pagkakaintindi ko, is just an underclock 8050. So at least base dito is just a bit worse lang siya kumpara sa 8050. Pero still, you have a 144Hz AMOLED display, 108 megapixel main camera with OIS. So, kakalaman tayo dyan. 68W fast charging, which feeling ko abutin pa dito ng isang oras with a 5,000 mAh battery. And at least base dito, ito naman tayo sa mga mid-range smartphones with insane amounts of memory. Kaya nga, 21 gigabytes. So, 12 talaga siya. Plus 9 yung RAM expansion technology nila, which doesn't really make sense for a phone of this caliber. But, hey, it's conversation starter ba yun? Ewan ko. And of course, before we begin, shoutout nga again kay Infinix for sending me a unit of their 030 5G ahead of the launch. So, very nice nga. But so far, ito nga yung specs ng 030 5G. Available siya in 3 color options. Itong binigay nila sa akin is yung Chrome Green na color option. Available siya sa Golden Or na color option, and parang, not sure, parang bluish to na color. O basta yun. Actually, ngayon ko lang napansin, since curved AMOLED to, this may be a bit more expensive kumpara sa Note 30 VIP. I'm not so sure, but magkakaalaman nga sa launch nito, which ngayon yung nga pinapanood. And yeah, yan nga yung Dimensity 8020 5G powerful processor. Bro, 12 gigs of memory with this chipset is waste lang of memory. Pero yun nga. Diba? So yeah, there it is. Then of course, check muna natin yung ibang laman ng box. So may kasama siya na SIM ejector, of course. Soft case. Buti na lang hindi yung parang hard case na kasama dun sa Note 30 VIP. 68W fast charger. Parang yung European plug pa to. Type A to Type C charging cable. Tapos, isa sa kinakatakutan ko, mukhang walang 3.5mm jack to, kaibigan. Tapos nakikita nyo dito is Type C yung niya, kasamang earbuds niya. And wala nga pala siyang kasama mga papers and shit, since ewan ko, baka dahil review unit siya. Pero yung mga review unit na nakuha ko noon is may kasama pa din para mga warranty card and shit, although hindi pa din magagamit. But yeah, here is the phone itself. May ganun like that. Actually looks good though, yung pagka-green niya. And yan nga yung nakalagay sa harap. So 144Hz with 3D curved AMOLED display. Na maganda nga pala sa display na to is covered niya yung DCI-P3 color space. So color accurate yan. Dimensity 8020 nga. 5G powerful processor. Sorry. 108 megapixel OIS ultra clear camera. And not gonna lie, that is one good looking phone. So 01 nakalagay dito. And parang industrial yung design nito. Hindi to sa may camera module. So parang may mga bolts pa dyan sa corners. I'm not sure how to explain it, but yeah. So nakalagay nga OIS ultra clear lens. So yung quad LED flash ata to. So pwede na lang nating ignore. Seryoso. Na 2 megapixel sensor. May isang 13 megapixel sensor to. Not sure if ultra wide siya or some other shit. Pero yung main sensor nga neto has 108 megapixels. So it does look like we do have an aluminum frame. I'm just gonna be honest here, hindi talaga ako fan ng mga curved displays. I mean, mas makakamura pa sila sa paggawa neto if hindi nila ginawang curve to. But well, I would assume that this isn't real leather, like faux leather finish lang to. Pero plastic pa din. Not too sure, pero that is a different feel though. Parang high quality talaga siya. And meron nga tayong pre-installed na plastic screen protector, which actually tatanggalin ko na to. So yun nga, nakalagay sa taas, powered by Infinix secondary noise cancelling microphone. And feeling ko parang speaker grills to since dual stereo speakers meron to. Tapos sa bottom nga, SIM card tray, main microphone, USB Type-C charging port, and bottom speaker. So wala naman ata sa left side. Yep. And ang quick bend test ko. Well, it does flex just a tiny bit. That's basically it. Built well naman siya for the most part. Yeah. And yeah, check na natin if this has power. Yep. So I am just gonna set this up real quick and come back to you guys in a bit. Okay, so nagbabalik na po tayo mga kaibigan. So far na-setup ko pa lang yung Google account ko dito and update ko yung apps. Since mapapanood nyo din naman bukas yung full review neto, hindi ko na muna install yung Genshin dito for now to save time din kasi ang tagal mag-download ng Genshin. Weirdly enough, dito sa dev check, nakalagay Dimensity 1100 which is an older chipset ng MediaTek. Pero dito nga nakalagay sa my phone, Dimensity 8020. So I'm not too sure since medyo bago-bago pa yung 8020 kaya lumalabas dito 1100. So pero currently yan nga lumalabas dito Dimensity 1100. So I've been using this for quite a bit now and so far of course since kaka-unbox ko nga lang ng device na to, well, snappy and smooth naman for the most part of course with that 144Hz display. Although medyo weird kasi nakalagay dito sa nakita nyo naman dito sa display settings, screen refresh rate 144Hz. Weirdly enough, ang second option is 120Hz, hindi 90Hz kasi sa binigay na spec sheet sa akin ng Infinix is 90Hz daw. Pwede mong iset siya sa 90Hz. Sa mga medyo conscious siguro sa battery ng phone nila. But ayun nga, baka something that they can update through a software update. So far, opening closing apps has been snappy for the most part. No complaints so far, again since kaka-unbox ko nga lang neto, but not expecting so much sa gaming performance neto, which bukas nyo nga malalaman. Pero for now, like day-to-day tasks, I would assume na hindi problem dito sa 035G kasi ang daming 30 ngayon na nire-release ang Infinix, so parang mali naman na tawag lang to na 35G. And pagdating naman sa display neto, nice and bright and vibrant siya. Very nice for an AMOLED display. Blacks are basically pitch blacks. And pagdating naman sa speakers nito, so yeah, the dual stereo speakers definitely get really loud. But the problem is it distorts at max volume. Tapos, yeah, ito naman yung weird case na mas malakas yung bottom speaker kumpara sa top speaker niya. Tapos mapakita na din sa inyo yung mga pre-install apps dito. So ito, AHA Games, which pwede mo lang i-disable. So di-disable ko na ngayon yun. Card Care, which alam ko insurance tuloy. Warranty ng mga Infinix and Tecno devices. So far dev check pa lang ini-install ko dito. Polax, yep, di din pwede. Google TV, uninstall. Gamitin yan. Most naman na Google Apps sa pag-aakalam pwede mo uninstall. Hi browser, pwede lang disable pero hindi nga pwedeng uninstall completely. Infinix File Viewer, pero meron tayong Files by Google dito. Isa pang File Manager. Weirdly enough, ewan ko baka pwedeng, yep, uninstall na lang. My Health, pwede lang disable. Palm Store, disable lang din of course. Personal Safety, which di ako sure actually, pero pwede siya disable. Smart Panel, which alam ko yung parang tawag nun, assistant feature neto, or parang button assistant niya, ganon. Visha Player, disable ko ngayon kanina. Yeah, pwede lang disable, hindi pwede nga install. WeZone, disable lang din. Yep. Wow FM, disable lang din. I mean, I don't really use it, so disable lang din. X Club, disable lang naman of course. And yeah, that's pretty much it sa mga apps dito na naka-pre-install sa 035G. And siguro quick camera test tayo. Tapos quick selfie, pero matanggal mo na yung parang mga enhancements nito. And ang pinagmamalakihan ng Infinix, quick 4K video test using the front-facing camera. So for now, ito muna ang 4K 30fps video mula sa front-facing camera ng 035G since masyadong grainy indoors yung 4K 60fps. Actually, para makita nyo din yung difference, ito nga siya in 4K 60fps naman. And pagdating naman sa 5,000 mAh battery nito, I would expect na tatagal to for, lagyan na natin sa medium to heavy use ko, 6 hours of screen on time with about siguro 40% by the end of the day. So, pretty solid, pretty great pala. And talagang pagdating sa design, it really looks good. sobrang minimal lang yung mga side bezel since curved nga yung display neto at the edges. Tapos pantay lang actually yung top and bottom bezels niya. So that's good. And yan nga yung hole punch para sa front facing camera niya. At nga pala yung under display na fingerprint scanner neto. So optical siya and it's a bit lower than what I would like sa placement for an under display fingerprint scanner. Mas maganda sana kung medyo higher up siya dito, but yeah, yan nga yung placement niya. And so far, paano ko ba ma-describe yung phone na to? It's a premium feeling mid-range smartphone that offers solid day-to-day performance. Kasi since hindi ko pa natetest yung gaming dito, which feeling ko mati-disappoint ako sa panahon na gagamitin ko to. But yeah, that was my unboxing and first impression so far of the Infinix 035G. Again, much appreciated to Infinix for sending me a unit of their 035G. Abangan niya yung full review ko neto, bukas na din agad. Since again, by the time that you're watching this video is nagamit ko na to for 1 week. And yeah, I think that's gonna do it for now. Of course, leaving a like as always is the easiest way to support the channel. Consider subscribing if you like my content and turn on notifications for all so you'll be updated on my latest videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Flip a bag, now I'm serving a Tesla. Going back, shawty with me, I stepped up. GTA for the ops, ain't no less stuff. Shawty born to be my angel, yeah, I'm blessed up. Cooking right up in the stew, gotta check the fan. Yeah, I'm watching out for ops, yeah, they not my fan.